Welcome to this English Yogi, a channel totally dedicated for English grammar. These are the videos in which we will discuss about the basic grammar of English language, where a new learner can understand this. This video is specially made for the students, learners who are completely new in English language, and from this video they can get very clear-cut ideas about some of the basic grammar of English language. So what exactly English grammar is and why we use English grammar? So there are certain reasons we can discuss with. So the first reason we can understand from this is that ड्यू टू दिस इंग्लिश ग्रामर देर इज द स्टैंडर्ड यूज ऑफ लैंग्वेज. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जब हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उस लैंग्वेज को हम सही तरीके से इन द वेरी राइट वे, इन अ स्टैंडर्ड वे हम यूज कर सकते हैं. सेकंड एग्जांपल और हम सेकंड जो रूल कह सकते हैं कि व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग इंग्लिश ग्रामर, तो उसका आंसर ये है कि जब भी हम एक कोई भी लैंग्वेज का ग्रामर यूज करते हैं तो उस वक्त उसकी एक्यूरेसी लेवल, इट इम्प्रूव्स द एक्यूरेसी लेवल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज. और जो लोग नए हैं, they are very new to the language, so they can understand, they can learn the language. So ग्रामर जो पोर्शन होता है वो नए लोगों को हेल्प करता है वो लैंग्वेज पढ़ने के लिए. सो ऑल्सो we will discuss these some of the basic rules of English grammar in the video. So in this video, what we will learn today? So we will learn what is exactly word is, what clauses is, and what sentence is. We know that these are the basic terminology, these are the basic concept in English language. And when we want to understand any that language in a very new way, in a very different way, so we have to understand the basic units of this language. So as we have discussed earlier, वर्ड इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली अ सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ लैंग्वेज. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि कोई भी भाषा का, जैसा हम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये एक लैंग्वेज का सबसे छोटा यूनिट होता है. लैंग्वेज का छोटा यूनिट होता है और जो वर्ड पढ़ने के बाद में आफ्टर रीडिंग दैट वर्ड वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड सम मीनिंग फ्रॉम दैट वर्ड. तो वर्ड का मतलब होता है इट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लेटर्स फ्रॉम द लैंग्वेज. उसके बाद में सेकंड आता है व्हाट क्लॉजेस इज. सो वर्ड जैसा देखा तो वो एक यूनिट होता है लैंग्वेज का, और क्लॉज जो होता है इट इज अ बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ अ ग्रामर. तो हम जो पढ़ते हैं जिसके अंदर हमको ये पता है कि क्लॉज में क्या होता है, देर इज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड देर इज ऑल्सो वर्ब और एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी होता है. तो क्लॉजेस का मतलब ये होता है क्लॉजेस इज अ पार्ट और यू कैन से अ बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ अ ग्रामर. और जैसा हमने पिछले स्लाइड में देखा, वर्ड इज व्हाट, वर्ड इज अ सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ लैंग्वेज. सो और सबसे आखिरी में आता है सेंटेंस. तो सेंटेंस ये क्या होता है, तो सेंटेंस एक यूनिट होता है ग्रामर का. जैसा क्लॉज होता है बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ ग्रामर, तो उसी तरह से इन द सेम वे सेंटेंस इज व्हाट अ यूनिट ऑफ ग्रामर. और इन शॉर्ट हम ये कह सकते हैं कि क्लॉजेस होते हैं इन द सेंटेंसेस, देयर यूज्ड टू बी मेन क्लॉज एंड सब क्लॉजेस. सो सेंटेंस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज. सेंटेंस ये होता है कि जिसके अंदर क्लॉजेस होते हैं, कभी मेन क्लॉज होते हैं दो, या कभी एक मेन क्लॉज होता है या एक सब क्लॉज होते हैं. So what today we are going to discuss thoroughly and deeply in this video is about word formation. So how we can understand what exactly word formation is. So how to make that word formation, we have to understand it first. So there are three types of main, we can say the types of formation. तो सबसे पहले आता है प्रीफिक्स आता है, देन लेटर ऑन सफिक्स आता है और कंपाउंड आता है. सो दीज आर द सम ऑफ द वे by using which we can formulate some of the words in English language. सबसे पहला आता है जैसा हमने देखा है प्रीफिक्स. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली प्रीफिक्स इज. तो प्रीफिक्स ये होता है द वर्ड्स विच इज व्हाट यूज्ड बिफोर द बेसिक वर्ड. व्हाट इज बेसिक वर्ड, बेसिक वर्ड को हम इंग्लिश में भी स्टेम वर्ड कहते हैं. तो जैसा हम देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी हियर इन दैट सेकंड बॉक्स, पॉसिबल वर्ड इज द बेसिक वर्ड एंड बिफोर दैट पॉसिबल वर्ड वी हैव यूज्ड आई एम. तो ये बन गया आफ्टर जॉइनिंग दिस टू वर्ड प्रीफिक्स बेसिक वर्ड के साथ ज्वाइन होने के बाद में द वर्ड इज देयर इम्पॉसिबल. Second example, you can see that un is there and un is joined with the basic word able, it becomes unable. Similarly, you see there up is there and grade word is there, that is the basic word, it becomes upgrade. So these are the what the examples of prefix. So in a very simple language, prefix is a such a word which comes before the basic word and makes a new meaning to that word. So, dear friends, let's do some activity about these prefixes. I have given certain examples from this unit, that is tele, and we can make some certain words. For example, television is there, telemarketing is there. Second word is there, semi. For example, you can make Semi is prefix, and after adding that to the basic word, it becomes semiconductor, semi-year, semi-cycle, like this. And the third example from this prefix is miss. So it becomes what, after using that miss with treatment, it becomes mistreatment, misunderstanding, like this. So these are the examples from the prefix. So what is suffix then? So suffix is what, a particular word which is joined, which is used after the basic words. So you can see here in the second box where the word is there, govern. So govern is a basic word, and after that govern word we used here meant, and it becomes government. तो ये जो meant हो गया है, that meant word is what exactly suffix, and it comes after the basic word. Second example you can also see here, friend word is there, that is the basic and stem word, and after that friend we have used ship, so it becomes friendship. Similarly, the third example here we can see good is there, and after using ness a, it becomes goodness. So what exactly suffix is? In a very simple language, suffix is a such a word which is what exactly used after the basic word, and these are the way of using and formulating the words in English language. So dear friends, let's do the second activity for this suffixes. I have given certain examples for this section. One is re, that is referee, it becomes referee, that re is here suffix. Second one is ist, east, so we can use journalist, artist, like this. So dumb is there, dum, dumb is the suffix, and it is what used after free, so it becomes freedom. After that dumb, star is before that, dumb star is used, so it becomes stardom. The next is the example of that suffix is ear, and it becomes teacher. First word is sing, and then we have used there er is suffix, so it becomes singer. Now the next one is the compound. By using this compound, we can make a new word. For example, what exactly compound word is? So compound word is that there are certain two words, two or more words is there. By joining these two or more words, we can have a new word. For example, in the first box, you can see ear word is there, that is a different word, and phone is there, so that phone is also a different word. So after joining this ear and phone, it becomes earphone. Similarly, you can see the second example of the compound type of word, that is earache, it becomes earache. The third and last one here, the example of compound is black, and second word is board. So when we join this black and board, it becomes blackboard. So these are the way of word formation. So let's again do the activity for the third time for the compound. So what exactly compound is? You can see there are the certain examples. Day is there, cream is there. So it becomes day cream. Similarly, however, it becomes however. Tooth word is a different word, and brush is a very different word. When we join these two words into one, it becomes toothbrush. So it is what the way of compound, making the word new way. And last one is microwave. So we have joined micro and wave, it becomes microwave. So these are the word formations. So up to this, what we have discussed and studied probably is what exactly word is, what exactly clause is, and sentences. Similarly, we have also discussed and learned about word formation, and we also understand that there are three types of word formation. One is prefix, that comes before the word, suffix that comes after the word, and the compound one means the similar two, there will be the two words in that particular word. So if you like this video, so you may share, you may like, you may comment, and you may subscribe.